A two-legged dog was dragging itself on a rainy road, desperately searching for food, but found nothing. A group of college students noticed the poor dog and decided to help. They searched for it and finally found it. Without wasting a second, they placed the dog in their car's backseat and rushed to the vet. The vet ran multiple tests, including an MRI and X-ray, and even put an inhaler on the dog. But when they saw the X-ray results, they discovered something heartbreaking. The dog would never walk again. Determined to help, the vet provided a special dog walker. In the end, one of the students adopted this adorable dog. Suggest a name for this brave dog in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and follow.